Another chance to see that really unmistakable silhouette of the Typhoon. But the initial squadrons that have already formed are basically air defence. So they're the Tranche 1 aircraft. Now you're getting new Tranche 2, and these will then be subsequently... So the Typhoon is fully operational. What are the sort of weapon systems they've got? Well, we can carry all sorts of different weapons, but our normal loadout will be 6 AMRAAM missiles, advanced medium-range air-to-air missiles, and either 2 or 4 advanced short-range air-to-air missiles. That combined with a full defensive aid subsuite is our standard air-to-air loadout. With the air-to-ground, we can strap all sorts of weapons on. That's actually more capable than the F3 Tornado, isn't it? The F3 Tornado is normally 4 and 4. That's right, yeah. And aircraft now getting airborne, which actually the Typhoon ultimately will replace. Not in Royal Air Force service anymore, but it's the Jaguar.
Super 1, descend initially 2,000 feet.
But actually they decided in the end that they would take the old ones back to Russia and re-equip with brand new ones. They have done a number of these deployments before. So the sort of deployment that they've got here to Waddington is not unusual for them. And as I say, we saw earlier the 2 support aircraft, the tanker, so even though they couldn't do a display, and they certainly, as they didn't come here to do a display, they are here for this Anglo-Indian exercise that starts next week, but just delighted that they were willing to get their aircraft airborne to RF line, of course. Recognise it because it's got the in-flight refueling probe at the front. The J can in-flight refuel but doesn't have it attached all the time. Long-range fuel tanks, which the J doesn't have. Anytime soon. Same engines as the Hawk has, as I was saying earlier, the Ardor engines, but the difference is that they have reheat. Now, reheat's an interesting system. You get the landing light coming on. Look at the undercarriage. I say it's very robust. You can really sort of throw this thing at the ground. Wonder why people are firing green things at him. That actually certainly indicates to us on the tower that he's had a little bit of a radio failure, so that was just confirmation that his gear was down and locked and he was cleared to land, because he can't talk to anybody.